Welcome back to my channel Root Shiksha. 25 awesome Valentine's Day gifts. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Greeting card. Greeting card. Bunch of roses. Bunch of roses. Heart keychain. Heart keychain. Watch. Watch. Chocolates. Chocolates. Artificial red rose. Artificial red rose. Photo frame. Photo frame. Perfume. Perfume. Love letter. Love letter. Wallet. Wallet. Heart pillow. Heart pillow. Rings. Rings. Shoes. Shoes. Leather belt. Leather belt. Leather bag. Leather bag. Bracelet. Bracelet. Flower bouquet. Flower bouquet. Cake. Cake. Locket chain. Locket chain. Water bottle. Water bottle. LED photo frame. LED photo frame. Outfit. Outfit. Couple pillow. Couple pillow. iPhone. iPhone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.